Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. I saw old man and young girls, old men and young girls. I wonder if you can tell me when the old man them ever learn. When are they going to learn? When are they going to understand that these young girls don't want them? I wonder if anybody can tell me or tell them that they don't want them. So it has been going around on YouTube about a particular couple. A man who went to Jamaica and he was introduced to this young girl. Must be from 2018, 2017, 2018. Don't quote me on it, but this is a story. And of course, they strike up a relationship. She was between 27, 28, and he was between 64, 65. I know the age gap is 37 years. Listen to me carefully. Him 37 years older than her. He lives abroad for years, and she lives in Jamaica. And they started dating, and in no time, bam, marriage. And in no time, bam, she was here. And they're on the YouTube putting out their story, how them love each other. And then love each other like how Jesus loved little children of the world. Loving Jojo and Bessie syrup, as according to my mother. And them living them best life like two peas in a pod, going on cruise and taking long trips and cooking together and sharing their love story. It seems like it never run out 3 good years or 2 good years, between 2 to 3 years, allegedly. Everything start tumbling and crumbling. This is no joke. This is a serious thing. So everything come crashing down. Love don't love anymore. All kind of this where they give, take back. All kind of problem. Everybody now is, well, I shouldn't say everybody. Some persons are saying that the woman married the man for a green card. Well, I don't know, I can't say. I hold my reservation on that part. But you know what I am saying? And the question I'm asking, what does that man think? What did he think when he decided to marry a woman who is 37 years younger than him? When did really I think? Him really honestly think that that girl was going to stay with him? Because I did not. It didn't surprise me that it break up. Because, now tell me something. We want 28-year-old. I do with one 65, 64-year-old. A years now this are going, you know. Young girl, I do with the old man and then now stay with them. And not to the story. When you think of to the story, one day if you don't really think of to the story. Me and the chicken and this are going long before me from my mother days. and maybe fear mother days, they are not staying. Old man, no fool on self, they don't want to know. And you know something as it regards to that couple, I don't serve for the man. Me, no serve for him. Because you know something? Most times, these older men don't want their age group woman. Most times, they claim that their age group are old woman. If them want to believe, so no want them, make them believe it. Yeah. Yes, man. Because these men, when they get their age group woman, me no want no old woman. When you see them reach them age there and go on like they're young, then claim say 50 old, 55 old, and them in their 60s, you know. And you hear them give out. Me no want no old woman. Young girl me want. Well, alright. Una take where young girl come with. Because them not easy. Young girl. Yes. If a green card, them a go no. Una take a green card, them a go no. If a money, them a go no. Una take a money, them a go no. If a flyings and drivings and clothes and long hair, una take it because they are fooling themselves. You think me in my old age could I take up one 35-year-old or even 40 and think him really, really want me? Seriously? Just as how the young boys do not want the old ladies, most of them, and I say most because you may find some, nothing is not 100%. And this is why I say most. Most of these young girls don't want to know. Old man. Uno must go look on the age. Go look on the size. What is wrong with dating with somebody 10 years your junior? No. 10 years your junior, you don't want them. Them are old man. You know me hear it all the time. Older men are classify younger woman than them. 5 years younger than them. 10 years younger than them as old women. Well, all right. Uno take the whopping where the young girl are going. Because them surely giving it to you guys. Uno can't manage young girl. Most of uno have prostate cancer, high blood pressure, diabetes, and you know, what gone home leave uno. All of these illnesses make what go home left uno. So what do you think young girl are going to do? When you sit down and think, what do you think a younger person, 28, 40 years younger than you, 37 years younger than you, 30 years, what do you think she are going to do? When you're selfish too, you know. When you think about it, you guys are really selfish too, you know. Because what do you think a girl in her prime, a 27-year-old, a 28-year-old, finish having your first degree or your second degree, ready to move on now, married, settle down and enjoy life with somebody them age. What you think them are going to do now with uno where part of your dead gone? We're supposed to be working strong. We're supposed to be firing. That gone. Uno thinks that the young girl them can raise the dead. They cannot do it. They can't work no miracle. And that uno believe. That is why we not jump up about to know a young girl. Because uno thinks that they can raise the dead. Them are not Jesus. They are not Jesus. Because you want to tell me that nobody, none of them family member, none of them friend them, I am thinking, really, didn't say to him that this girl is too young for you. Most of the time, them have children who are older than who they are dating. And people would say to them, This person not interested because you're older than them. You're 37, you're 36. You're 40 years older than this girl. But them not taking on the advice because them think they have stamina. So they can't manage younger. Una cannot manage them. I wouldn't care what she want to say. She's going to leave after a while. You get what me I say? She is going to leave after a while. Them are going to leave. Them not staying. Una no have nothing for all them. You guys have nothing to keep these wide age gap girls. Them want go out with them young people, go at them party, go at them dance, and we no watch them like a hawk. I want nobody to watch them. Who want nobody to be watching them? They cannot go out. Most times when you talk to these old men, you cannot go anywhere because they're insecure, and rightfully so, because they know. You think they don't know? They're just fooling themselves. So here when me say young girl. So here when me say now young girl. Don't make nobody make you feel guilty. Don't let anybody let you feel guilty. You know that you went in a relationship wholeheartedly for it work. And it don't work. Then you just move on. Don't let anybody make you feel guilty. Live your life. Because we never trick them. They are sensible, they are in their right mind, and they made their conscious decision. Bye.